namaste everyone. We hope that you all are doing fine. Welcome to another vlog of our channel Ellarigu Swagata, and here we are to show you yet another place around Bangalore where you can chill with your loved ones on weekend. Okay, I guess that's a Supra standing. Yes, it is. And this place is very unique and special because it is dedicated to many rescued animals, and this place is called as Prani, the pet sanctuary. So this place holds a special place in our heart. Such a noble thought to start a place like this, our home to many animals, and we are really excited to see how well they have maintained it. तो अभी इस मंथ में प्री मानसून शावर्स बैंगलोर में शुरू हुए हैं एंड वी आर वेटिंग द प्लेसेस अराउंड बैंगलोर टू टर्न ग्रीन एंड गेट कवर्ड इन क्लाउड्स. तो उसके बाद हम अपनी राइड शुरू करेंगे एंड वी आर रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. So if you guys are watching this video right now, then do subscribe to our channel and make sure you don't miss our upcoming journeys and lots of adventures. So guys, this place Prani is approximately 41 kilometers far from my place. I am considering MG Road as a starting point because we live nearby. You have to take Kanakpura Road and it will take 1 hour to reach there. Make sure that you pre-book your tickets before coming here. I have provided the link in the description. So let's go to the place and we will meet you guys at Prani. Hey everyone, so finally अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं पेट सैंक्चुरी. इट टुक अ लॉन्ग टाइम. अभी हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पहले प्री बुकिंग कर रखी थी और 9:45 का टाइम था. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि अभी ये लोग अंदर जाने देंगे कि नहीं. सो विल जस्ट चेक एंड लेट्स सी. सो फाइनली हम लोग आज आयुष के साथ हैं, मेरा भाई, ज्योत्सना और हम. सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ द सीन. सो दिस इज़ द एंट्री पॉइंट एंड एक बार जब आप यहाँ आओगे तो यहाँ पर आपका टिकट काउंटर है. प्री बुकिंग का मेल या SMS आपको आया होगा, वो आप लेकर जाओ एंड यू हैव टू पे 400 हेयर पर पर्सन एंड यू विल गेट योर एंट्री पास. सो हियर आर सम डिटेल्स गिवन like what kind of animals they have here. So these are the list of animals. मेन टेंशन ये लग रहा है कि अभी ये लोग एंट्री के लिए अलाउ करें कि नहीं. इट्स ऑलरेडी टू लेट, सो जस्ट लेट्स सी. फाइनली वी गॉट आवर पास एंड हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली 2 लोगों की बुकिंग कर रखी थी. आयुष का लास्ट मिनट प्लान बना था, सो वी आर नॉट श्योर कि एंट्री मिलेगा कि नहीं. जस्ट डोंट टेक दिस रिस्क. कभी कभी क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, सो मेक श्योर कि आप प्री बुकिंग पहले से करके रखें जितने भी लोग आप लोग आ रहे हैं, वरना लास्ट मिनट नो इश्यूज़ हो सकते हैं. सो ओके गाइज, जस्ट 1 minute, लेट मी शो यू. Oh my god. Can you see the tail? And there are 2 more. राम लखन हमारे. 1 minute. ओके गाइस, ये रॉडेंट एरिया है और अभी हम लोग को यहाँ बोला गया बैठने के लिए बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सम सेशन हियर. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट इज़ इट, सो वी आर क्वाइट एक्साइटेड. आयुष पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ बैठा हुआ है. आयुष, this side? Okay. So I think they're going to start the session now. So let's see.
Okay, hi. I'm here on the rescue right here. So that animal will be handling them, you'll be touching them, you'll be feeding them and all. So education, this is the outdoor. This is the totally outdoor. You're gonna interact with the animals. You're gonna take a bonding with the animals and all. Right? Touch and feed all these.
So I think the first session is started with gerbil from Mongolia and it's quite exciting. So let's see how it feels. Just remember two basic rules. Don't use sanitizer when you're handling these animals and don't use flashlight when you're clicking the pictures. These are the two first instructions that they give.
This is not a rat. Mice. This is not a mice. So usually a rat or a mice, they won't have much fur on their tail. They have a very less fur on their tail. So these are called gerbils. Gerbil. Gerbils. So gerbils are from Mongolia. So Mongolia is a very cold country in the night. So they have a more fur on their tail. To cover their ears and the nose, they use their fur. Use their tail just to cover their feet.
Okay, so I'll repeat again. This is gerbil from Mongolia. So this is not a rat or a mice. And all of these animals are like adopted here. Okay, all of these animals have been rescued and they are taking a very good care of these animals here. They have exotic and pet animals basically, no wild animals. So it's a very good initiative that they have done here. So do come if you are living in Bangalore or somewhere around Bangalore or you're coming to Bangalore, make sure you come here to experience something like this. इसकी एक और खासियत है, ये कैंगरू की तरह खड़ा हो सकता है. तो ये एक्साइटेड है या बहुत जब डरे हुए हैं तो कैंगरू की तरह खड़े हो जाते हैं. तो ये कहा जाता है कि आप इसको कभी भी सामने से अप्रोच ना करें बिकॉज दे कैन बिकम लिटिल एग्रेसिव. सो वो हैंडल करने का एक डिफरेंट तरीका होता है. कैन यू गाइस सी, वो कैंगरू की तरह खड़ा हो रहा है. या दैट्स द वे इट एक्चुअली स्टैंड्स. It is quite excited and aggressive or scared.
I'll just give the animal both the hands. Make sure you're not going to drop the animal.
No,
Flat your hands. So flat it.
Hello. Say hi. Okay, this guy is so cute. Just handle with care. Don't drop it when you're handling it. Ayyo, Papa. Thank you.
Try it. No.
चलो 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 आ जाओ जोस्ना.
I'll help you. I'll hold with you. Your hands on me. I'll just hold you.
Okay.
It might tickle you.
Say hi, Joe. You liking it?
Guys, once you are coming in, please take a seat on the mat. We'll be handling a very small animals. Please take a seat. I'll tell you. So what do you feel? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good and I'm waiting for the guinea pig to come. Okay. So this is guinea pig, a very cute creature. So it's once in a lifetime experience. I think you guys should definitely come here. Okay guys, next is hedgehog. This is from Africa.
And hedgehogs, when they are shy and when their belly is exposed, what they do is they curl up into the ball like this. The whole body will be curled up into the ball. From the head to
See
back.
this lady. This lady is very happy today.
If you're touching from the reverse, the animal will also get a hurt, then you will also.
Can you do that?
Do it if he wants to do it, he'll do.
See this cute guy smiling. Oh my god. क्या बोल रहा है?
कह रहा था कि टूथपिक का जो डब्बा होता है उसका फील आ रहा है उनको टच करने.
Iguana. Oh my god, guys. Can you see this giant?
The reason why they are called, can you just guess what they'll eat? What's their food?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Insects.
Vegetarian.
These guys are completely herbivorous. They like eating
I think I've
flowers,
forgotten
also
biology
flowers,
completely,
flowering
you know.
spice. So this is actually okay. So the spice which you are seeing here,
I think she was
is called a
taking
pseudo spice. It's
Picture
not
with flash. They
sharp.
told not to do that.
is true.
So this is how old?
He is Ivan and he is around 14 years old. He is the eldest iguana which we have here. He is a rescued iguana. So you can see some of the claw is missing
Yeah.
here. So that is because of bad care in some pet shop. So ಎಲ್ಲ information ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದು.
Like leather.
Yeah. हम लोगों ने अभी इग्वाना को देखा, उसे फर्स्ट टाइम टच किया, सो इट वाज वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, दैट व्हेनेवर यू गाइस आर इन बैंगलोर, यू आर कमिंग टू बैंगलोर, दे डू कम टू दिस प्लेस. I will leave the location detail in the description, and you can come here. So we are in horse and pony area, so here they are. From where did you rescue her?
From a Pune racehorse.
Pune. Okay.
She used to be a racehorse before.
Okay.
So one of her hoof is actually smaller than the other hoof. And that's the reason she's not able to run as fast as the other horses. And usually they mercy kill them because they're very high maintenance and they need a lot of food.
They kill them.
Yeah, they mercy kill them.
Bearded dragon, and they're from Australia.
It opens up and becomes completely black inside. With that sudden color change, no predator would come close to them. They are omnivorous animals and it loves eating a lot of cockroaches. Have you been your
Okay, so it loves to eat cockroaches, but not the Indian one.
on the top? Just give it
It eats the imported one. Amazing experience, guys. So we just had an interaction with the python and then this dragon, bearded dragon from Australia. So they have like a variety of reptiles here, fishes and all. So we just can come and it will be an amazing experience for all of you. I think जो हम लोगों ने समय spend किया, I think it's all worth it. So 2 से 3 घंटे के लिए it's a perfect weekend getaway. You can come here and have fun. Okay, we are going to the bird section.
Don't like noise, touch, sudden movement. Okay, once you're walking inside, please look down because some flightless bird is there. Okay.
Okay, we are going inside. The name of the section is aviary. Oh,
Please walk in quick. Don't hold the gate. Anyway.
oh my God! This is magic. You know, you just have to lift your hand and
One more hand.
they will just come and they will sit on your hand. Oh my God! Just see, just look at my hand. Okay, I'm just raising my hand, and suddenly one bird will come from somewhere. See, I hope it will come.
Don't do that. Let the birds decide this. Man, don't put fingers. They can nibble.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm an attractive guy. Jyotsna, one of the best experience है ना अभी तक हम लोग का. It was like unexpected. So guys, ये एक amazing section है. They have the archer fish from Australia.
This is called archer fish. And have you seen how they hunt? Why they call archer fish? Because they can shoot water, they can spit water.
I think they're going to feed that worm to the fish and see how they will shoot. the last section of this Prani sanctuary, this emu section. See how this guy will come. After this you can go, make sure you wash your hands and go and have lunch.
We really enjoyed the day here with all these animals. First time we are getting to touch so many animals, which we wouldn't even imagine.
And it was really a great experience. So please do come here. It's a perfect weekend getaway for like 2-3 hours. You can come and spend there along with the animals. And the bird section, that was really amazing. I never thought that I will have those many birds on my head, on my hands. That was really unexpected.
And I never thought I would be able to touch these rodents or reptiles. But
Yeah, first time we touched the python, and oh my god, I can never forget that. Especially that iguana. That was a mixed experience, amazing one. So yeah, please do come here. Okay guys, so that's all from our end. If you're watching our video right now, then do like, share and subscribe to.
those are so fun vlogs.
So we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Till then, bye bye and take care.